Top 5.
Klein tools. Short jaws and beveled. Cutting edges permit close cutting of wire. Made in USA with custom, US-made tool steel, induction hardened cutting knives for long life.
Top 4.
Work Pro. Transparent electrophoretic coating and covered in will help to prevent getting rusty. Wipe these pliers before using, then store them in a dry environment.
Top 3.
VISE Pro. The pliers set are made of 45-pound carbon steel with heat treatment, reached the hardness at an industrial grade, wear resistant and durable.
Top 2.
Berwin. Durable nickel chromium steel construction, Pro Touch grip, provide extra comfort and reduces hand fatigue. Induction hardened cutting edge stays sharper. Longer machine jaws for maximum gripping strength. Meets or exceeds ANSI specifications. Knife X. Precision-grade performance tools, the #1 choice of tradesmen worldwide, comfortable in use and quality assured, designed fit to match the needs in the shop, at home or in the service field. Each tool is proven and tested for durability and function in real-world use and conditions.